If you like to see your designs in the colors you're going to stitch with, let me show you how you can edit the colors. So I'm going to just take a built-in design. Okay, let's do this little paisley here. And just in case it asks me for which hoop I have on, I'm going to go ahead and pick the oval hoop. Now there's an icon right here that says 8, and it's next to a spool of thread. That does mean that there are 8 color changes in this design. But at any given time, if I would like to change the color and seed, so color 1, I could come in here. These are isochord colors. You've got different, you do have a couple different collections of colors. Oh, actually quite a few more than I thought there would be. But let's go ahead and leave it on isochord 40. And here, if you know your color number, you could dial it in. So if I had 5, I would say, I'm kind of guessing which, that is a color number, all right. And I touch it, you'll notice that it will change the design to that actual color. So if you, like I said, if you're more visual and making the design look like the colors you're actually going to use, then you can go through here and get it exactly the way you want it to be. That way when you stitch, it will show you which color comes up first, and those were the 2 colors I changed. So yes, you can do that, and then you could even save the design, so then those color changes would be saved for next time you use it.